Imagine yourself hovering above the Earth. You see a pale blue dot suspended in the void, the infinity of the cosmos. You notice how thin and fragile the surface is, how exposed we are to the reaches of outer space. You realize that national boundaries have vanished, and suddenly you become aware of the fundamental interconnectedness of our civilization and environment, how everything that we know is encapsulated within this beautiful biosphere of blue and green. This phenomenon, known as the overview effect, and experienced by many astronauts, has the potential to completely change one's perspectives on human society, creating a paradigm shift in our philosophies and inspiring us to make the world a better place. Our idea for how space exploration could help life on Earth is simple. Develop a fully immersive virtual reality environment which allows anyone to experience the overview effect, and at the same time expose them to all of the problems and opportunities happening on the planet's surface below.
As an engineer, I'm always looking for solutions to specific problems. Our concept would provide a digital overlay on Earth which would show the potential of innovation and collaboration within various industries. The overlay would provide education through virtual mapping, key statistics, progress measures, and outline future problems within these industries. Examples of these industries could include medicine to lawmaking. For example, in medicine, we could use our concept as a tool to analyze and prevent potential disease outbreaks. In engineering, we could show how new and existing infrastructure is affecting economic development. And in scientific research, we could show how existing technologies such as nuclear energy and wind farms are showing improvement in sustainability around the world, and as well as potential experiments such as the Large Hadron Colliders, scale and future impact. Finally, for lawmakers, we could show how interconnected climate change really is, and how specific pieces of policymaking, such as the Paris Climate Agreement, may have an effect on the world visually. But we're not only limiting ourselves to these industries, we're trying to impact everyone. And we can do this through showing the public how human rights is being affected and the global stability of the world through the destruction of wars or the democracy indicators around the world to UN violations.
There's two ways we could make this happen. The first option is to send CubeSats to space with a 4K VR camera payload. The second option would be to put that same payload on a Virgin Galactic spacecraft under the Galactic Unite project. At the UCL Space Society, we take an interdisciplinary approach which connects all of the different topics in space together. So we're very excited to see this kind of initiative. So thank you for watching. We hope this will inspire millions of students and leaders to get involved in areas like science and environmental studies and, of course, peace and human rights. And just like Spaceship Two's historic achievement this week, we welcome you to space.